Hello everyone, welcome to Tavakale's Kitchen. In this video, we are going to prepare a healthy millets murukku. You would have already tasted rice flour murukku, but this is quite different. We are going to make it from organic millets, which will help us to reduce weight, also to control blood sugar and increase immunity. Now let's see how to prepare it. These are the millets that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use Kudo millet, which is Varagu, Banyard millet, which is Gudrevali, Little millet, that is Samai, and Foxtail millet, that is Thinai. I am using 250 ml cup. I take 1 cup from each type of millet. Overall 4 cups in total. I have taken 1 cup of urad dal. Urad dal and millets should be in 1:4 ratio. Let's roast the millet for 2 minutes until it becomes light brown in color. Now let's roast urad dal as well until it becomes bit dark, because this is the one that is gonna give a good aroma for our murukku. Now let's grind the millets and urad dal into a very fine powder. Grind it at least 2 to 3 times until the powder becomes very smooth and fine. As you could see, it has become very fine now. Millets and urad dal powder is ready now. Let's see the other ingredients. 2 spoons salt, 1 spoon asafoetida, 2 spoons chili powder, 1 spoon pepper powder, 1 spoon jeera, 100 grams ghee or butter. Add both millet flour and urad flour in the same bowl and mix it together. Now adding salt to the mix. Asafoetida, chili powder, pepper, and cumin seeds. Now mix everything together. Finally, we are going to add butter. Usually people will add water first, but adding water in the beginning will make the murukku very hard. In order to get the soft and crispy murukku, we are adding butter at the first place before adding water. This will help the flour absorb the butter very well, and murukku will become very soft and crispy. This is the trick to get soft and crispy murukku. Earlier the flour was very dry, but after adding all the butter, now the flour has got sufficient moisture, as I am showing here. Finally adding water to the mix. Do not pour it, just sprinkle it over the flour. Keep sprinkling the water and mix it well until the flour becomes a dough. If the dough is very sticky, then it will absorb lot of oil while frying. If it is very dry, then murukku will break while making them. So you need to take care of the consistency. We are going to stuff the muruk dough into the grease mold now. I have taken the star muruk plate. If you don't have this mold, alternatively you can use the cone that we use to write on a cake. And now slowly press the mold to release the dough and make any pattern that you like. Put on the flame to medium high. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Slowly drop the muruk into the oil. Once the bubbles stopped coming up, it means the muruk has fried well. Place the muruk on a soft cloth to absorb the excess oil. This yummy muruk contains lot of nutrients, so it's good for children and older people. If you like this recipe, please try it at your home and let us know in comments. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.